bacon is sticking. Why is it sticking?
Kusinera sa bahay. Pagdating dito, kusinera pa din. Wait, Juju, you have rice in your face, anak. Here, oh. Yeah, with ice. Bugnaw, kailangan nag-ice. Ana, yeah, that's fine. Mommy is cooking for dinner. Cook, baka naman. Nami ko under ang banda.
Less sugar.
Less sugar, that's prank. On.
Oh, then I'll have some.
You can have some.
Guys, look, I have no more blue lemonade.